Hello everyone! This week we continue with the Christmas videos, and this time we make an advent calendar with El Gato rainbow and La Gata moon. To make it we will need cardboard or Christmas colored paper, sheets of paper, chocolates or candies, a felt tip pen, glue, and scissors. Let's get to it! We always see those advent calendars that you can buy at the store, and we really wanted to make our own. As you know, an advent calendar is used to count down to Christmas Day, so we're going to make a simple one. The first thing to do is to take cardboard of a Christmas color and cut small rectangles of the same size. We chose this one because we love that it's reflective, so it's even more Christmassy, but any green cardboard will do. To make your rectangles, you can measure them with a ruler, or do as I did and fold the cardboard so that all the pieces are the same size. The key is to fold it little by little and cut it. And this way we will have all the rectangles we need. Psst, remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. It helps us a lot to keep making new ones. In this case we will need 24 rectangles. And they can be all the same color, or you can combine them. We made 14 green ones and 10 red ones. And in each of them we're going to write the numbers from 1 to 24 with marker. Here it seems that you can't see it, but now I'll show it to you closely. See? And so we're going to write them all. The color doesn't matter because we're not going to put the numbers in order later. That way it will be so much more fun to look for them. Don't miss it, we will show you later. Here, as I said, it seems that the numbers don't look good, but I promise that you can see them perfectly in person. When we have them, we make the most important thing, and for that I cut a golden star, and there we're going to write number 25, Christmas Day. Perfect! Now we're going to prepare some envelopes to put the chocolate or candies in. As you can see, I've folded a sheet of paper in half, and now I've folded again on both sides. Then we're going to fold it several times to get equal shapes again, as we've done with the green cardboard. In a minute, when I unfold it, you will be able to see it much better. It should look more or less like this. If you have small envelopes or bags, you can use them instead of making these ones, although they're super easy to make and it takes no time at all. Now cut the paper in half like this, and along each of the lines we folded before. This way, we will have several double rectangles like this one. Now we simply fold the ends like this and put some glue on them. When we join them together, we have managed to make a kind of envelope or bag open at the top, you see? It took us no time at all. So now we make 24 more to have 25 in total, one for each day of our advent calendar. When we have them, we're going to glue them behind each of the rectangles that we had made before. We're going to glue them little by little. That's it. Perfect. And we cannot forget to put one also on the star. Now we have them all, and it's time to fill them with chocolate. For your calendar, you can use the candy that you like the most. We have chosen this kind of dark chocolate M&Ms of a different brand that we love, and they come in Christmas colors, so they're perfect for this activity. They are delicious. Let us know in the comments which candy would you put in the advent calendar. We read you. Let's put it together. We take one of the rectangles with the number that we've made and put 2 in the envelope that we've glued on the back, 1 for each of us. But you can put as many candies as you want. Just don't overdo it, of course. And we're going to prepare all the numbers of the advent calendar. We won't leave any of them without chocolate, because every day we can take one and eat it. Imagine what a shame if when we open one we see that there is no chocolate inside. And that's it! And before placing it on the wall to show you how cool it looks, I remind you that we have some Christmas activities on our website that we love. They are super varied and you can download them using the link we left below. We hope that your kids love them as much as we do. And now finally it's time to put it all on the wall. For that we've chosen to stick it with this tape, because it does not leave any mark and holds very well. But if you don't want to stick anything on your wall, we invite you to put it with some string and pegs so that every day you can take one envelope. I'm putting them all randomly, so you have to look for the day on the wall, and it's even better. This is the best for the kids because it adds fun to the moment of eating the chocolate in the calendar. So you can see I've put it this way so that it looks like a Christmas tree, and at the top you can't miss the star. Perfect, we have it! What do you think? Now we just have to start using it on December 1st, looking for the number 1 and taking the chocolate inside. We can't wait to start using it. What do you think? Will you make this super simple Christmas advent calendar? We read you, and as every week it's time for the round of greetings. This week we send a very special greeting to Eva and Dani, another one to Michelle, another super greeting to Lydia, another one to Shime, and finally a greeting to Cami. Thank you very much for watching our video. We hope you liked it a lot. Remember that this same video is available in Spanish on the channel. And next week you will have a new Christmas video you can't miss. See you soon!